Crocodiles.
That he's scared of.
Terrified.
Cheers.
The crocodile's really cute.
Alright. Oh, he's real.
It's got like a break in his tail.
How about the size of the teeth on this thing? That wasn't me, cheeky butter. Yeah, you go. Walking soft. So if I apply a bit of resistance. There's a roll, couple of shakes. So, mate, the number one thing to not do, and the number one way that people get killed by saltwater crocs, is swimming with them. Now you would think that would be a no-brainer, wouldn't you? Don't swim where they live. If you're not sure whether crocs inhabit the area or not, but you're in croc country, behave like they do. Anything bigger than a bathtub can hold a croc big enough to kill you.
The crocodile's really cute. You were some funky looking chicken. What is that?
And also the size itself is way more petite.
Hello, cutie. How are you doing?